Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your AVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we are discussing? We are discussing our SA1 revision. So, children, please go and bring your EVS notes, pencil, sharpener, eraser, everything. In the revision, already we discussed 2 lessons. Today we are going to discuss the third lesson, revision, right? What is the third lesson? My needs food. Keep a heading, lesson 3, and my needs food. Okay, children? Write down in your EVS notes. Write down, children. Food contains many things that help us grow and stay healthy. So the food which helps us to stay healthy and helps us to grow. What are those things? We called it as our dash. Those are nothing but nutrients. What are those? Nutrients. 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 Write down, children. So our body needs different various food items which gives us energy and which helps us to for bodybuilding and which gives us protection from the diseases, right? One by one we will discuss. The food which give us energy are dash. The food which gives us energy are. Tell me some examples. Write down, children. Any 2 you can write. Butter, ghee, cheese. All these are examples. We need dash. We need dash to work, play, and to do all our activities. So what we need, children? What we need? We need dash to work and play. What we need? We need energy. 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 Write down, children. Write down fast. Write down with good handwriting only. Next. The extra fat is stored as dash inside the body. So the extra fat is stored as layers. 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 The extra fat is stored as layers inside the body. If we ate so finish it these 4 blanks first, children. Write down. Food contains many things that help us to grow and stay healthy are nothing but nutrients. 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 The food which give us energy are butter, ghee, cheese, butter, butter, ghee, ghee, cheese, cheese. We need dash to do work and play. What we need? We need energy, energy, energy. The extra fat is stored as layers, layers inside the body. Otherwise you can pause your video, then write down, children. Next. Who ate lots of fatty foods? Fatty foods may become overweight. WEIGHT. Weight. Next. Excess fat can lead to various health problems. Health, 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 PROBLEMS. Write down, children. Next. Give 2 examples for protection giving food. So tell me, children, tell me different food items which helps us in protection giving foods. So many are there. Leafy vegetables, fruits, mainly fruits and leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables. Write down, children, write down fast. Fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits, A-N-D, L-E-A-F-Y, leafy, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, leafy vegetables. Dash are part of protection giving foods. What are a part of protection giving food? They are nothing but vitamins. Vitamins are part of protection giving food. Write down, children, write down fast. Otherwise you can pause your video, then write down. Next. Who ate lots of fatty foods may become overweight. Excess of fat, if you are eating, you will become overweight. W-E-I-G-H-T, overweight. Excess fat can lead to various health problems. If you are eating lots of fatty food items, what will happen? You have to face lots of health problems. H-E-A-L-T-H, health. P-R-O-B-L-E-M-S, problems. Give two examples for protection giving food. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits, A-N-D, and L-E-A-F-Y, leafy, V-E-Z-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, leafy vegetables. Dash are part of protection giving food. Vitamins, V-I-T-A-M-I, protection giving food. Otherwise you can pause your video, then write down, children. Next, give two examples for body building foods. So tell me, children, what are the different food items helps us for body building? Give me some examples. Chickpeas, nuts, nuts are the examples for bodybuilding food, right? You have to include milk, meat. Next, I came from a cow. I help to build your bones nice and strong. I help to build your bones nice and strong. I am dash. I am milk. So what we are getting from cow, children? It is nothing but milk. Next. Dash came from coconuts, olives, vegetables. And good dose of fat. So what we are getting from coconut, olives, vegetables, what it is? It is nothing but oil. Coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, right? So write down, children, write down these blanks first. Give any two examples for bodybuilding food. Chickpeas, nuts, so many are there. Kidney peas, all those are examples for bodybuilding. Right? CHICK, chick, PEAS, peas, chickpeas, and NUTS, nuts. I came from a cow. I help you to I make your bones strong, nice. So what it is? And I help you to grow. What it is? Milk, MILK, milk. Dash came from coconuts, olives and vegetables, and good enough for fat, good dose of fat. What it is? Oil, OIL, oil. Next. You can pause your video, then write down, children. Food that contain excess of sugar, salt, and fats. What it is dash, nothing but junk foods. What it is? Junk food contains a lot of sugar, fats, right? Give any two examples for junk food. So any two junk foods you can write. Burgers, pizza, and chips. Write down, children, write down fast. Otherwise you can pause your video, then write down. Right, next. We should not waste the dash. We should not waste the food, because food is very important to all the living things, right? Next. Dal is example for what type of food, children? Bodybuilding. What it is? Bodybuilding. Write down, children. Next. Apple. Apple is example for protection giving. Bodybuilding food, protection giving food. Protection giving food. Write down. Write down fast, children. Otherwise you can pause your video, then write down. So what we discussed in this lesson, like this different types of examples I will ask. You have to give which type of food item is that. Dal, apple, chicken. So chicken is which type of food? Bodybuilding, yes. And it contains lot of proteins. Potatoes contains carbohydrates. So it gives us energy. It gives us energy. Nuts, again bodybuilding, right? So in this lesson we discussed about 3 types of food groups. What are those? Energy giving, bodybuilding, protection giving. And we discussed how to prevent the wastage of food. So practice these blanks. Along with this you have to be thorough with your studio and companion. Right, children? In the next video we will discuss the next lesson. Thank you, children. Bye bye.